Want youthful skin? Strong nails and hair? Imagine waking up every day with a radiant complexion, nails that don't break, and hair that looks like it belongs in a shampoo commercial. Who doesn't? The secret lies in a protein called collagen. This powerhouse protein is essential for maintaining the structure and integrity of our skin, hair, and nails. It's the most abundant protein in our bodies, making up about 30% of our total protein content. It's found in our muscles, bones, tendons, and even our blood vessels. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. Without it, our bodies would literally fall apart. Collagen gives our skin its elasticity, our hair its shine, and our nails their strength. It's what keeps us looking youthful and vibrant. And our joints their flexibility. It's crucial for maintaining an active and pain-free lifestyle. But here's the catch: as we age, our collagen production slows down. This leads to wrinkles, brittle nails, and achy joints. The good news? We can boost it naturally through our diet. By eating the right foods, we can help our bodies produce more collagen. Imagine a world where your skin glows, your hair shines, and your nails are strong and healthy, and your joints feel fantastic. You can move freely without pain, and you feel as young as you look. That's the power of collagen. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. By incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can naturally support your body's collagen production and reap the rewards. Foods like bone broth, fish, chicken, and egg whites are excellent sources. Ready to discover the fountain of youth in your fridge? Let's dive in and explore the delicious and nutritious options that can help you look and feel your best. Vitamin C is like the magic ingredient for collagen production. It's not just a vitamin, it's a powerhouse that your skin absolutely loves. It acts as a crucial cofactor, meaning your body needs it to manufacture collagen effectively. Without it, the collagen production process would be incomplete. Think of it as the essential worker in the collagen factory. Without these diligent workers, the factory wouldn't run smoothly. Luckily, some delicious fruits are bursting with vitamin C. These fruits are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your skin. Strawberries, for instance, are not just delicious, but also packed with vitamin C. They are a sweet treat that doubles as a skin booster. They're like little bursts of sunshine for your skin. Imagine the glow and radiance they can bring. Kiwi, another vitamin C superstar, is a tangy treat that supports collagen synthesis. Its unique flavor makes it a delightful addition to your diet. Adding these fruits to your diet is a simple and tasty way to boost your collagen levels naturally. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember to pick up some vitamin C-rich fruits for that extra skin glow. Collagen is a protein, and to build protein, your body needs, you guessed it, more protein. Think of it like this: you can't build a house without bricks. Protein-rich foods provide the building blocks for collagen production, ensuring your body has the resources it needs. Chicken breast is an excellent source of lean protein, providing the amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. Eggs are another fantastic option, packed with protein and other nutrients that support overall health. Incorporating these protein powerhouses into your meals can significantly contribute to your collagen-boosting efforts. Section 4, Recipe Time: Chicken and Berry Salad with a Citrus Twist. This delightful dish is perfect for any occasion, whether you're looking for a light lunch, a refreshing dinner, or a vibrant side dish to complement your meal. Ready to put this knowledge into action? Let's dive into the ingredients and steps to create this nutritious and flavorful salad. This refreshing and delicious salad combines collagen-boosting ingredients in a simple, satisfying dish. It's not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients that are great for your skin, hair, and overall health. You'll need 1 cup of grilled chicken breast diced into bite-sized pieces. The chicken adds a good source of protein to keep you full and energized. Next, half a cup of strawberries sliced. These juicy berries add a sweet and tangy flavor, along with a boost of antioxidants. A 1/4 cup of kiwi, diced. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C and adds a tropical twist to the salad. A 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese. This cheese adds a creamy texture and a slightly salty taste that balances the sweetness of the fruits. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance the flavors of the salad. 1. In a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, chicken, strawberries, kiwi, and feta cheese. Make sure everything is evenly distributed for a perfect bite every time. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. This simple dressing ties all the ingredients together with a zesty and refreshing flavor. 3. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Make sure every ingredient is coated with the dressing for maximum flavor. This salad is a delicious and easy way to nourish your body with collagen-boosting goodness. It's perfect for those who want to eat healthily without compromising on taste. Enjoy it for lunch, dinner, or as a refreshing side dish. Share it with family and friends and watch as they delight in every bite of this vibrant and nutritious salad. Section 5. Bone broth, ancient elixir for modern wellness. Bone broth has been a staple in traditional cultures for centuries, prized for its numerous health benefits. This savory broth is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissues for an extended period, extracting valuable nutrients like collagen. Think of bone broth as a collagen powerhouse in a cup. It's rich in easily digestible collagen, making it an excellent addition to your diet. Sipping on bone broth regularly can support your skin's elasticity, strengthen your hair and nails, and even promote joint health. Section 6. Embrace the collagen-boosting power of your plate. Boosting your collagen levels doesn't require expensive creams or supplements. The real magic lies in harnessing the power of your plate. By incorporating collagen-rich foods and those that support collagen production, you can naturally enhance your body's ability to maintain this vital protein. Remember, it's not just about individual foods, but about creating a balanced and nourishing diet that supports your overall health and well-being. Embrace the journey of nourishing your body from the inside out, and you'll be amazed by the results. Section 7. Simple foods, powerful results. The beauty of boosting collagen naturally is its simplicity. By making conscious choices about the foods you consume, you can significantly impact your collagen levels and reap the rewards of youthful skin, strong hair and nails, and healthy joints. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these collagen-boosting foods into your daily routine and watch as your body thanks you with radiant health and vitality. It's time to embrace the power of food as medicine and unlock your body's natural ability to thrive. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Stay Young Wellness for more tips.